Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI MS17G3. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your MSI MS17G3 keyboard is stopping responding, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a faulty connection or damage to the keyboard itself. If left unresolved, it can lead to further complications, making your device increasingly difficult to use. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement keyboard. First, ensure that your device is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the bottom panel of the laptop. Keep track of these screws as they can be easily misplaced. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the bottom panel. Be cautious during this step to avoid damaging the clips that hold the panel in place. After removing the bottom panel, locate the keyboard connection. It will be a ribbon cable connecting the keyboard to the motherboard. Gently lift the latch on the connector with your tweezers and carefully pull the ribbon cable out. Now, you can remove the keyboard by unscrewing it from the chassis. There may be several screws holding it in place, typically Phillips screws. Remember to apply gentle pressure when unscrewing to prevent any stripping. Once the keyboard is free, replace it with your new one by reversing the process. Attach the new keyboard's ribbon cable to the motherboard, ensuring it is securely inserted and the latch is closed. Before reassembling, double-check that all connections are secure and that there are no loose screws or components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, replace the bottom panel by aligning it properly and pressing down gently until you hear the clip snap back into place. Finally, secure it with the screws you previously removed. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure your keyboard remains clean and free from debris. Regular maintenance can also help to identify potential issues before they become problematic. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.